Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting update for Gmail users. You can now send highlighted messages in Gmail on your PC, adding a fresh touch to your chats. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look for the 9 dots located next to your profile photo in the top right corner. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select the Chat option. This will take you to your Gmail chat interface, where you can see your conversations. Next, find the chat where you want to send your highlighted message. Before you start typing, take a moment to click on the formatting options. This is an exciting new feature that lets you customize your text. Now, you'll see various formatting choices. To make your message stand out, choose the option to change the text color. Pick a color that you think best fits your message, and once you have your color selected, it's time to write your message. Type out your message and make sure it looks great with the color you chose. When you're satisfied with your beautiful highlighted text, hit the Send button. And that's it. You've successfully sent a highlighted message in Gmail on your PC. This simple update can make your conversations more engaging and fun. Don't forget to try it out and let your friends know about this new feature. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Gmail tips.